This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to Lakeview East, to a location that's close to Belmont Harbor, the 18-mile lakefront trail, and a strip of bars, restaurants, and shops along Broadway for a walk through one of the apartments at 3130 North Lakeshore Drive. I'm at apartment 1300, a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, looking southeast toward Lincoln Park and Lake Michigan, turning into a spacious living dining area. Floods with light when the sun shines. Looking at plank flooring throughout the apartment, through the wall air conditioning, baseboard heating. And toward the entryway, where you have a wide closet off to your left as you enter, and a hall mirror. Kitchen has a pass-through. It's an updated kitchen, a 4-burner electric range. It's a wall-mounted microwave, transparent, translucent cabinetry, which is a nice touch. And there's plenty of space in the kitchen for your stools looking out through the pass-through or some additional cabinetry or furniture. Turning toward the bedrooms and bath, there's another closet off to my right with shelving for linens. Bath is nicely updated, has Art Deco tile on the floor, soaking tub with a rain shower head in the shower. And there's a wall-mounted medicine cabinet. Bedroom 2, again you're looking at that plank flooring continuing. View is out toward Lake Michigan and Lakeshore Drive. It's a wide wall of closets. And you really have space in the second bedroom for just about any size bedding and some additional furniture. Looking at another bedroom, very generously sized. Can accommodate your home office desk, your king-size bed, nightstands. Through the wall air conditioning again. And another wide wall of closets. Unusually good closet space here. (3130) has an appealing and attractive location. Amenities that include a fitness room and a business center. There's parking available, and you definitely want to have 3130 on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.